Amir al-Mu'minin Hazrat Ali, peace be upon him, said, "The doer of good is better than the good itself, and the doer of evil is worse than the evil itself." Amir al-Mu'minin Hazrat Ali, peace be upon him, said, "The best of riches is the abandonment of desires." Amir al-Mu'minin Hazrat Ali, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever prolongs his desire ruins his actions." Amir al-Mu'minin Hazrat Ali, peace be upon him, said, "The richest of riches is intelligence, the biggest destitution is foolishness, the wildest wildness is vanity, and the best achievement is goodness of the moral character." Amir al-Mu'minin Hazrat Ali, peace be upon him, said, "You should avoid making friends with a fool because he may intend to benefit you but may harm you. You should avoid making friends with a miser because he will run away from you when you need him most. You should avoid making friends with a sinful person because he will sell you for naught. And you should avoid making friends with a liar because he is like a mirage, making you feel far things near and near things far."